This trend is everywhere, but does it actually work? Okay, I know I'm late, but this viral cookie tin, I had to try it. Look at this simple biscuit tin. We are turning into a soft chocolate chip cookies, loaded with melted chocolate, and trust me, the inside is insane. Let's make this viral cookie tin together. Now spoon out 6 tablespoons of Nutella onto butter paper. And into the freezer it goes. This will give us that perfect chocolatey gooey center. In a bowl, add 100 grams of soft butter, then mix it in brown sugar and a white sugar. I'm using half cup of brown sugar and 1/4 cup of white sugar. And 1 large room temperature egg. Make sure your butter is soft, it makes everything super smooth. Mix it well, don't rush this step. You can already smell how good this is going to be. See how creamy it's getting, that's perfect. This is the base of your cookies, so mix it nicely. Just keep mixing until it's light and fluffy. And trust me, this step makes all the differences. Now let's sift our dry ingredients, flour, baking powder and baking soda. This makes the cookies super soft and light. Look how fine and airy this gets. This is what gives us that soft texture, nice and smooth. Mix it all up until smooth. By the way, if you're watching this, go ahead and subscribe and let me know in the comments what's your favorite cookie flavor. Now add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 1 teaspoon of instant coffee, and don't forget the chocolate chip. Our cookie dough is ready with 1 cup of main ingredient, and that's a chocolate chip. Let's make these cookies irresistible. Mix it all really well, nice and smooth. Now pop it in the freezer for 20 minutes. Yes, patience is the key. But trust me, it's totally worth it. While you wait, don't forget to subscribe and drop a comment below what's your favorite cookie flavor to bake. Okay guys, we are using a biscuit tin like everyone else is doing. Luckily my husband bought this biscuit, so it's a little blessing I got the tin. Otherwise I was seriously thinking maybe I will bake it in a cake pan instead. Okay guys, let's first grease a little oil in your tin, just a thin layer, then place some butter paper inside. This will make sure our cookies came out perfectly without sticking. Now it's ready for our cookie dough. Let's get in it. Look at this guys, a little Nutella spoons all set in the freezer. Trust me, this is the magic that's going to make our cookies extra special. Alright guys, now spoon your cookie dough. Just a big, nice spoonful. Place a little Nutella right in the center. Then roll it with a perfect ball. Look at that. Now place your cookie balls gently into the prepared tin. Look at them all lined up so perfectly. Now the best part, top each cookie ball with some extra chocolate chips. Pop the tin bag into the freezer for 30 minutes to 1 hour. Yes, patience is the key, but this step makes them extra soft and gooey inside. Alright guys, it's time to bake these beauties. Pop them in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius. Yes, that's the perfect heat to get them golden and gooey inside. Bake for 20 to 30 minutes. And the final touch, serve these cookies warm with the scoop of your favorite ice cream. Can you imagine that? Gooey Nutella center with melting ice cream. It's a pure happiness. If you are watching this right now, subscribe and drop a comment below. What's your favorite cookie flavor? And share this recipe with your friends so they can make these too. See you in the next video. Take care and keep baking.